Hi everyone, welcome to ARK Idea Innovation Online Learning Platform. Today we are going to discuss 10th class mathematics. The topic is areas of sector and segment of a circle. First of all, we should know what is a sector of a circle and what is segment of a circle. Let us see, you observe the picture, it is a circle. Okay, in this circle, the portion of the circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc is called sector of the circle. You observe this picture. In this picture, drawn a circle. So in this circle, I have drawn two radii. So OA is one radius and OB another radius. So the two radii and the corresponding arc, it is the corresponding arc for these two radii. Okay, so this portion is called sector. Okay, obviously the remaining portion is also called sector. Very clear? So the first one, AOB, is called minor sector, and you see AQB is major sector. Very clear? It is the small region, so it is called minor sector. It is the big region, so it is called major sector. Very clear? Now let us see what is a segment of a circle. So you observe the second picture. The portion of the circular region, enclosed between a chord. You see, AB is the chord. Okay, enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc. You see, it is the corresponding arc is called segment of the circle. So it is the segment of the circle. Very clear? Similarly, the remaining part is also segment of. Okay. So you see, APB is the minor segment. Means it is the small region. Very clear? Similarly, AQB is the major segment, because it is the big portion. Okay, big region it is, so it is called major region, major segment. Okay, very clear? It is the minor segment. Very clear? Now let us see the picture. Let OAPB be a sector. It is the sector. Okay, very clear? So OAPB be a sector of a circle with center O and radius R. You see, it is the radius R. Let the degree measure of angle AOB be theta. It is the angle theta. Now we know area of a circle is pi r square. Very clear? We can consider this circular region to be a sector forming an angle of 360 degree at the center O. Very clear? Now by applying the unitary method, we can arrive the area of the sector OAPB. Okay, very clear? Let us see. Let us see. When the angle at the center is 360 degree, the area of the sector is pi r square. All we know, the angle at the center is 360, then the area of the sector means the whole total circle. The area of the circle is the sector, then the area of the sector is pi r square. Very clear? When the angle at the center is 1, means 1 degree, then area of the sector is, what happened? Pi r square by 360. So it is pi r square by 360. Very clear? But here we took the angle is theta. So when the angle at the center is theta, okay, very clear? Then the area of the sector is pi r square by 360 into theta. Because when the angle is at the center is 1 degree, then the area of the sector is pi r square by 360. Now the angle is at theta, so the area of the sector is, we need to multiply this into theta. So pi r square by 360 into theta. Very clear? For this we can write theta by 360 into pi r square. So it is the formula for area of a sector. Okay, theta by 360 into pi r square. Very clear? Easy to remember. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Pi r square means it is the area of the circle. You know all. Okay, very clear. Understood? Now let us see. You observe the picture. Now let us take the case of the area of the segment APB. You see APB. It is the segment of the circle. Okay, this portion. Very clear? So the segment APB of the circle with center O and radius R. So we want the area of this region, that the segment of the circle. So we can get the area of the segment APB is equal to area of the sector. Okay, very clear. Area of the sector OAPB minus area of the triangle. Very clear. Area of the triangle. Whole sector, the area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Then you will get the area of the segment. Very clear. So as we know, area of the sector, the formula is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle OA minus area of the triangle OAB. Very clear. It is the formula for area of the segment APB. Understood? Now let us see. Let us take the case of the area of the segment APB of a circle with center O and radius R. You can see that area of the segment APB is equal to area of the sector OAPB minus area of the triangle OAB. So area of the sector, as we know, theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle is OAB. Very clear? First of all, you have to calculate the area of the sector. Then you have to calculate the area of the triangle. Then you should subtract the area of triangle OAB from area of the sector OAPB. So you will get area of the segment. Very clear? Understood, children? Okay. Thanks for watching.